To add an admin to a Facebook page, what you do is open your Facebook account, then click on the profile icon, select the page here, click on professional dashboard, go to page access, then click on this option add new for people with task access. Select next, then you have to enter the Facebook username of the person whom you want to add. Select, and you have to enable those options which you want to allow for the admin. Like for content, you can let them create, manage or delete post. You can enable message and calls, community activity, etc. After that, select give access, and then you have to enter the password of your Facebook account and then confirm. So once you have done this one, then an invitation will be sent which will expire in 30 days. Now let me show you what happens if the other person will accept the invitation. Now when the other person will open their Facebook account, they will see a notification like this one on the top. Click on it and you will see the owner of the page has invited you to manage his page. So click on it and then select review invite, next, and then accept. Now once the other person accepts, what the owner of the page will see is, you can see the message for invitation is now removed. That means the other person has been successfully made the admin of your Facebook page.